Hello everyone, welcome back to physics class. Today's class we are going to complete chapter 5. The name of chapter is Simple Machine. So let us start chapter 5, Simple Machine. Let's start chapter 5, Simple Machine. In this chapter we will complete main points of simple machines, functioning of machine, mechanical advantages of a machine, 6 type of simple machines: lever, inclined plane, weighs, screw, pulley and wheel and axle. Leverage, relative position of load, efforts and fulcrum in the 3 classes of levers, and care of machine. So let us start it. All of you know it, machine. Machine is a tool that make our work easier and faster. We can save time also. Suppose we can do the work with machine. So work is said to be done when a force applied on an object displaces the object in the direction of the force. So energy is defined as the ability to do work. Machine makes our work easier. When we think of machines, we usually think of a big and complicated machine such as washing machine or a sewing machine at home, or large machine in a workshop or factory. But even a simple tool such as spoon can be used as a machine. So any tools that make our work easier and faster, that is known as machine. The machine is classified into 2 types: simple machine and complicated machine. Tools such as spoons, knives and hammers are called simple machines. Why? Because most of them have few or no moving parts. Means machine that have few or no moving parts. That type of machine is known as simple machine, like a screwdriver, spoon, knife, etc. Machines such as sewing machine or cars that have many moving parts are called complex machine. Means machines that have many moving parts. That type of machine is called complex machine. Activity first, look here. Here you have to find out, identify the following device as a simple or complex machine. Okay, so identify here simple machine and complex machine. A functioning of machine. How machine functioning? Look this figure 5.2. Machine make our work easier. Machine make our work easier. The amount of work done in both cases is the same, but a ramp enables the man to do same work with a lesser amount of effort. By using a ramp, the man will be able to put the load onto the truck with much less effort. Okay, if the lift it with his arms, here the ramp acts as a machine. So with help of ramp, less effort we can do work easily. So ramp it acts as a machine. Next, changing the magnitude of applied force. Look this figure. It is very difficult to open the sealed metal cap a cold drink bottle with our bare hands. A bottle open multiples the applied force of the effort applied on it. Hence, much less effort is required to open the cap. Such type of machine are called force multiplier machine. Look this figure. Small force applied on the bottle opener. Bottle opener increase the force applied on the cap. So, changing the magnitude of applied force. Next, changing the direction of applied force. In some situation, it is more convenient for us to apply force in a particular direction than in any other. For example, a changing in the direction of applied force takes place when underground water is pulled out with the help of hand pump. Look this figure. This figure showing changing the direction of applied force. So dear children, next video we will continue mechanical advantage of a machine. Thank you.